Hey guys, it's the Fly Natural here, and I am back with another video. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you are a returning subscriber. If you are new and not yet subscribed, make sure you join the family and hit that subscribe button, because I guarantee you're gonna like it here. That's unless, of course, you have questionable taste. Then in that case, get your taste level up, girl, and then you can come back. All right, y'all, so today's video I am going to be going over some things that I have learned since I have been locked. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you stay tuned. All right, you guys, if you guys are new to my channel, I am 4 years locked. I started my locks myself with 2-strand twists, and I maintained them myself using the interlocking method, 4-point rotation. So throughout my entire 4 years of being locked, I have learned a lot of things along the way. I actually filmed a video like this before, but that was a few years back, and I have learned some more things since then. So I just wanted to update you guys on what I have learned. If you guys are interested in that video, I will definitely leave that down there for you. Let's get into what I have learned since being locked for 4 years. The first thing I have learned while being locked is patience. Patience, honey. And I've learned that since the beginning of this journey, because like I said, I started my locks myself. So I had to have a lot of patience to even do the install, because this was 3 days of hard work putting these things in. And since doing that and the whole process of retying them every month or so, it takes a lot of patience, and that has trickled over so much into my day-to-day life. It's ridiculous, because a lot of the times I feel like if I could sit here for 8 hours and go through my hair individually and retighten each and every one of these 320 some odd locks, everything else in my life can be a breeze. So yes, being locked has definitely taught me patience. The next thing that I have learned through my lock journey is how to go with the flow. Now, if you guys have, locks yourselves, or you're currently going through your lock journey, you know that your hair is going to do what it wants to do. It's going to lock how it's going to lock, and there is nothing that you can do to stop it. Your hair is going to do what it wants to do, how it wants to do it, when it wants to do it. And you can't fight against that, because once you fight against that, that's when you start to have problems with your locks. So when you just go with the flow and you embrace the frizz, you embrace the shrinkage, you embrace whatever way your hair is at whatever moment it's in it, that makes things a lot easier for you. And that applies a lot in life for me right now as well, because there's a lot of things in life that are just happening around me, and it's just like I can't fight what is happening. I can't fight what other people are doing or what other people may think. I have to just go with the flow and let things come to me as they're going to come to me, and things that are not going to come to me, I'm just gonna keep it moving and not worry. So having locks has definitely taught me to just go with the flow. The next thing that being locked has taught me is to love myself. And when you go through your lock journey, you go through a lot of different phases in your journey, and you have to love yourself through every one of those phases. Now, me, when I started my lock journey, like I said, I never felt like I had an ugly stage to my locks, because I definitely loved my hair at every stage. But I did go through that ugly stage when I was a loose natural. So I feel like me being a loose natural and going through that ugly phase where I was learning to love my hair and learning to love myself through that journey actually prepared me for my lock journey. Because when you lock your hair and your hair starts to do what it's going to do, you have to learn to love yourself through all of that, because you're going to be seeing not only your hair change, but you're going to be seeing yourself change as your hair goes through those different stages. And you have to learn to love yourself at all of those stages. And that is a big part of why I love my locks so much, because I have embraced it at every stage, and I've grown to love myself and my locks as time progresses. The next thing that the locks have taught me, baby, is confidence. And I don't know, maybe it's just different for me, because one, this is my hair. I grew this. 2, I actually installed it. And 3, I maintained it. So whenever anybody tells me anything about my locks, like, oh, give me a compliment, tell me how they're cute, or tell me how they like them, I take that straight to my brain, y'all. It goes straight to the dome, because I did this. This is something that I take a lot of pride in, and I am definitely loving it, and it gives me that confidence boost every time that somebody says something to me about my locks, because it definitely let me know, like, I did that. So you complimenting my hair, you complimenting me on so many different levels that you don't even understand. Locking my hair has definitely taught me a lot of confidence. And the last and final thing that being locked has taught me, and I feel like this is possibly one of the most important, but being locked has taught me commitment. Because when you lock your hair, it's not a one and done situation. It's just not like an instant gratified style like braids or twists or something like that. You actually have to go through the entire journey and the entire process in order to see the fruits of your labor when it comes to locks. And when that happens, you have to be committed to that journey. You have to be committed to that process. And the fact that I sat for 3 days and installed my hair and has maintained it for 4 years really has taught me that I can commit to something outside of myself, and it has really taught me to honor that commitment, because that hard work is definitely paying off in my locks every day. Like, just look at my hair. Like, y'all can't tell me like that isn't beautiful. And the fact that I committed to this journey, and the fact that I committed to this process, and I can see the fruits of that labor, that means a lot to me. And I feel like it goes deeper than hair to me. That's symbolic of so many things in my life. And it just lets me know that if I continue to commit to something, if I continue to show consistency towards something, that the fruits of those labors will pay off. And my hair is definitely a testament to that. So you guys, let me know what you have learned from your lock journey, or what are some things that you're hoping to learn as you can go through your lock journey. Let me know those things down below. And as always, if you like the video, make sure you like it and subscribe on your way out, and I will catch you guys in my next video.